Our factory has been innovating and creating LED lights for more than 20 years, since long before LED lights were trendy. Initially, we made private label fixtures, which made distributors, contractors, electricians, and vendors very happy. Then, we discovered we can do so much more. So for nearly a decade, we've been knocking it out of the park with our North American brand, which has been an exercise in perfecting the one-stop shop concept. EAG-LED is the only manufacturer in the world to create, distribute, install, finance, and support LED lights. We choose to only use the highest quality, lowest failure rate raw materials, which guarantees every customer decades of satisfaction and incredible energy savings. The utility rebates and amazing tax benefits are just icing on the cake. Fast forward to now, and the introduction of our unique stimulus program that puts money back into any business with no upfront cost. In 10 minutes, we can determine if you qualify for the no out-of-pocket free lights program. You're smart enough to call and invest 10 minutes, right?